Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to activate it like ghost mode on TikTok. So the first step to activate that mode is go to the application of TikTok, and now you need to go to your profile. So here in the down part of the bar of the options, you need to pick here in profile, and after that you need to go to this option here, like in the right side of your profile here, and you see profile views, who view your profile. So the only thing you need to do to activate that ghost mode is go to the right corner in this option of profile views, and the only thing you need to do is pick here, and you need to deactivate that option of profile view story. So if you deactivated that option, when you see a profile, that person is not notified when you see their profile. But saying to you, you can see what people is view your profile. So if you want to activate that ghost mode, the only thing you need to do is pick here in that switch, and that's it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.